In a couple minutes I'm going to share with you how to replace engine air filter on your favorite Dodge Caravan. Let's get started. If you first time to the channel, please subscribe, very appreciated that. I have lots of good helpful repair diagnostics caravan videos on my channel. Okay, that is our air filter box. As you can see, it's over there. Let's undo the retaining clip, one on the side and one on the back. And now we can remove the upper part. Okay, let's just slightly push it that housing towards the engine and pull it up, and here we go. We have access to our air filter element. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, critics, put it down in the comment section below under the video. Okay, our old air filter is removed. All right, let's compare our new to old, make sure they're the same. Yeah, yes they are. And if this video is helpful, please put a thumbs up. Your likes are very helpful. I would like to write a mileage and how often do I replace the air filter elements. Every 10,000 kilometers, depends from the driving conditions. Okay, let's place our new filter element in. Make sure it fits properly, all aligned, no gaps, no overlap. Let's put our upper part of the air cleaner box in, align those slots and push that part in. Make sure it's all locked up there. And we have one clip on the side and one on the back. Yeah, simple that, pretty easy. Filters are cheap, engines are expensive. Make sure you maintain your engine and replace the filter element. Check for any gaps, make sure upper part of the housing sits properly, guys. And thank you so much for watching this video. I like caravans, they're great. We'll keep driving them and fixing. If you have any questions, ask down in the comment section below. See you.